Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Otter.ai, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you use Otter.ai to transcribe? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to have Otter.ai transcribe what you're saying anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. There's a lot of different reasons, but if you're running an online business, sometimes you want to create a transcript of whatever your lesson is or whatever your meeting's about. Whatever the case is a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Otter.ai account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Otter.ai account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to transcribe what you're saying and have Otter.ai listen in on you, what you're going to do is here on the top right, you're going to click on this record button. Okay, once you do that, it's going to ask you to connect your mic, and then automatically it's going to start transcribing everything that you're saying. So if I happen to be in a meeting, whether it's in person or on a Zoom meeting, Otter.ai can actually listen in and transcribe, as we're seeing right here on the screen. So it's pretty impressive how well, as you can see right here. And the nice thing about it is once it's transcribed, you can actually have AI make bullet points about what the meeting was about. So for example, today we're going to talk about a budget, and we're going to talk about who's taking over the work group. And then also we're going to talk about the price of services. So those are the 3 points that we want to talk about on this particular meeting. And as you see, it transcribes. So once your meeting is over and you don't want Otter.ai to be transcribing anymore, you just click on this little stop button down here. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show up in your conversations. So that's going to be here on the left menu, and you want to click on this little paper icon. Okay, so here is the meeting that we just transcribed right here. So we'll click in here. Okay, once you do that, you can check the transcript by clicking right here on transcript, and you can see it's all right here. So it's still processing the conversation. Let's go ahead and wait for it to process, and then I'll show you how to use AI. So now that it is processed over here on the right, we can go ahead and use AI. So maybe we can type in, what are the main points of this conversation? Okay, since this is a tutorial, it just mapped out the main points of this tutorial. As you can see, it describes Otter.ai can transcribe meetings. They can generate bullet points like what we saw here. And the agenda was discussing the budget, who's taking over the group, and the prices of services. So as you can see, it listens in pretty well. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to use Otter.ai to transcribe a meeting or something that you're talking about, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.